Okay, so on the bench today, I believe we have, if I could open this properly, I believe we have some golden tee boards. Give me 2 seconds, I'll get rid of this. Where the heck did that go? Let's see if we can't get this off. There we go. I opened it upside down so you can't see the addresses, but I don't know if this is one or if it's two or if it's just a bunch of packing peanuts. These are always fun. Okay, give me 2 seconds here. Yeah, I can do this without making a mess. Please and thank you. Okay, there's one. I don't know if there's two in here, if it's just one. What do we got here? We got an invoice. Okay. Do we have another board, or is that just... Oh, what do we got in here? Flashcard. Okay, good stuff. What's on here? Golden Tee Fore complete. Okay. Do we have anything else in here? Looks like maybe he bought this from somebody and... Huh. Maybe that's just what he used to pack everything in? Yeah, that looks like it. That looks like everything. Okay, let's get set up here, and then we'll take a look at what's going on. Okay, we got the board out here. Let's do an inspection. I'm gonna have to go check what the complaint is. So it needs that kind of power supply. We'll go video out straight from here to the monitor. Everything seems to be okay. I don't really see any serious damage. I don't see any corrosion. I do see that maybe it's taken a hit in its life, because that seems to be bent up a bit. I don't know if you can see that, but that seems to be on an angle like that. We've got the updated U15 2.9. I see that the video card here has obviously been modified with the fan, which is good. But that does look kind of crappy, doesn't it? Yeah, that looks kind of shitty. I mean, this I can understand. This should just be dust. I don't know if you're getting a good shot of that or not. That looks like it's just dust. Actually, that's really thick dust. I know it doesn't look like it, but that is gummy. But this down here, that does not look well. Okay, so let me get some power. Let me get some power to it. I'll get power to it. We'll get video to it, and let's see how this is acting. Okay, we have JAMA, no power. We have power. We're gonna see if the JAMA can output it. I think it's gonna output to that anyways, through the JAMA, through this. So we got hard drive, power for the hard drive, power for the board. Let's just fire it up here and see what happens. Okay, we got blinky lights. Oh, okay, here we go. Okay, that's good. Okay. Do we have activity? We do. Might not be able to tell, but it is flashing. Now let's just check in the file system. That's fine. Whoa, did you see how that got real gray? Why isn't this fan spinning? Oh, that's locked up. Tell me that's probably not drawing a ton of power from that not spinning. Oh, absolutely. I can almost guarantee that that's going to be drawing some power. Okay, I don't like that. Let's just see if we can get through some kind of boot cycle here. So I guess the complaint was that it wouldn't find the hard drive and that it would reset. So let's just see what we got going on here. Yeah, hard drive activity, she gone. Yep. That's odd. Yep. Okay. Let's stop that right here. Let's find out what the hell's going on here. So first things first, I took care of this. So, I mean, it was jammed up. It was really jammed up. I mean, it's not the greatest now, but at least we have fan movement now, which is great. She's a little rough, but at least we have airflow over top of this chip now. Now, as for this, I think there's something funky going on right about here. Now, watch this. All I did was touch this last time, and I swear the machine shut off. I don't know if it's the issue is here or what. I don't know what that was all about. Man, does that sound rough. No, we still got no activity light here. Now I can tell it's obviously not the boot ROM because it's 2.9 and it's definitely 2.9. So, and it did 2 checks, but it's stuck on the 3rd check. I have a working hard drive, an original working hard drive for this machine. Let me go get it and let me see if we're having the same issue. Okay, so we got an original hard drive here. I just want to see if we even get any further than what we have. I can hear the hard drive booting. Let's just see. Where's our indicator? We do. Okay, so we obviously got to go through first check. Now we're on the 2nd check. It would fail on the 3rd. Let's just see if we get. Let's just see if we get anywhere. We still have IDE indication. That's good. That fan is atrocious. I'm gonna have to fix that as well. I'll just oil it again. I mean, how you don't notice it doesn't work to begin with and continue using it, I don't know, but we still have hard drive indication. And this should take a while because this is a physical hard drive instead of a compact flash. So this should take a while. Let me pause it here, and if there's any change, I'll come back. Well, I thought it quit on me because it did quit halfway through the 2nd check, but now we're on the 3rd check, and we still have activity. So let's see if it fails during the 3rd check. Well, that looks like it's it. That definitely looks like it's it. Looks like we got a failed compact flash. Either that or, yeah, we're gonna change resolution. Oh, it's gonna do it again. Hang on here. What's going on? That's a reset. Come on. So if it's going to reset like that, it could be the drive still, but we are passing that, so that means that is bad. She's going to keep resetting on me like that. Yep. Okay, so that's the next problem we got to take care of. So yes, we do know that this is bad right off the bat. Okay, that's a good start. That's a great start. I guarantee this is just going to keep doing that. Yeah, it is, and I can't even skip past it here. Hang on. Let me try to skip past it. Yes, no, yes, no. Just if I can get into service or not. Yeah, look at. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to let it sit like this, see what happens, and then we'll go from there. But I got a feeling that there's obviously something else going on here, too. I just wanted to show you guys that it is this kerfuffle happening. So I just connected it directly VGA, and you see the images much, much better. It's just, there's just a bunch of crap going on here. So I'll try to flip these two clips, and if I don't, well, it is what it is. But yeah. Well, so I found the issue. Oh yeah. So we fixed the fan, which is great. I've been going at this for hours trying to find the proper version that belongs to this board. No matter what I did with this compact flash, I pulled. Tell me I'm not losing it here. Let me find the original sticker that was on it. Give me 2 seconds. Right here. There's the sticker that was on the compact flash. Now look at that. That's a 4 gig compact flash. There is no way Golden Tee 4 Complete was fitting on that card. I tried so many different versions to try to fit on this card, and none of it did. So I don't know who sold him this card. That's sketchy. That I don't like that. Somebody did this guy wrong. I don't like that. So anyways, I ended up going through my stash because I have lots of IDE hard drives and stuff, tons, and I happened to find a 15 gig Quantum Fireball. A 15 gig Quantum Fireball. I don't want to touch it right now because it's spinning and I don't want to touch it. But after loading Golden Tee 4 Complete version 6.0 something, you know what? As a matter of fact, we'll go through it together. So let's hit reset. I spent hours trying to figure out what was going on here. So it's 6.00.01. And sure enough, there it is. So whoever sold this guy this board was not truthful and sold him a bum card as far as I'm concerned. I went through a buddy of mine who lives here in Canada with me, Sean McQuaid, and we went through a few things because I'm not 100% when it comes to these boards and versions and stuff, and he helped me walk me through. Now, a lot of the stuff he told me made sense, but I still couldn't figure out the version. That's when I had to say, okay, it's gotta be this card. It's gotta be, it's gotta be, it's gotta be. And sure enough, what do you know? What do you know? Unbelievable. Running off this old Quantum hard drive. So now I'm going to get a hold of the customer, and we'll figure out what he wants to do. You know, maybe he'll get a hold of who he bought the card from and go from there. But yeah, we're good to go. I'm probably going to let this run for a little bit. Don't worry about the whitewash screen. That's got to do with all this fucking mess here. But yeah, good stuff. And we're on to another one. I've got 2 more boards from somebody else in Iowa that we're going to take a look at, and that'll be in the next video. So again, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you on the next one.